Let's have a look at what the student activity pack looks like. On page 2 of your activity pack, you will find the table of content. As you can see, there are 4 sections. Section 1, language awareness in the workplace. Section 2, cultural awareness. Section 3, work and social relationships. And Section 4, work and organizing. For each of those sections, you will have a selection of activities, and they are all presented in the same way. An activity description that will tell you what to do, skills level required when the activity is to be done in the target language, the estimated time needed to do the activity, the resources that you will need, and the expected learning outcomes from the activity. On page 4, you will find some advice and tips on how to use your activity pack while on work experience. So now let's have a look at what the activities look like. This is section 1, and as you can see, these activities have to be done in English. And you have a choice of 3 different activities. So let's have a look at the first activity. Languages all around you. Look closely. As you can see, you have a description of the activity, what you will require, the language learning outcomes, and the skill learning outcomes. Once you have finished the activity, go to the self-assessment area. In here, you need to tick the can-do descriptors that you have achieved. Beside them, you will see a list of key skills that you have been using while doing these activities. These key skills are really important for when you want to write your CV, you're applying for a job, or when you attend an interview. Let's have a look now at the cultural awareness activities. These are in section 2, and they are to be answered in English as well. Here you have a choice of 4 different activities, and again, they follow the same pattern with the description, the resources, and the skills learning outcome. Don't forget to do the self-assessment once you have finished the activity. In section 3, we're moving to doing activities in the target language. So write down the target language of your choice. In here, you have a choice of 3 activities for the work and social relationships. Again, you have a full description, the resources that you require, the language learning outcomes, and the skill learning outcome. Once you finish the activity, don't forget to go to the self-assessment and tick the can-do statements. Don't forget as well to look at the key skills that you have been working on. Finally, the last section, working and organizing. Again, you answer these activities in the target language. Have a look, you have a choice of 3. And again, they follow the same pattern. A description, resources that you require, language learning outcome, and the skills learning outcome. Don't forget to do the self-assessments once you've finished. So as I said, you can do as few or as many as you want. We hope that you enjoy them, and we look forward to hearing how you're getting on.